It's done. You keep scrolling through social media and you see all the titles and subtitles saying, oh, it's done, it's done, it's done. You need to behave as if your manifestation is done. It's everything being done, blah, 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 blah. Yet, I know that all of you who are watching this are sitting here without your manifestations, wondering, what the hell? I'm doing everything I can. I'm doing the it's done thing the best way I can. I still see no movements or little movements, but definitely not my manifestation. And let's admit this. It's done, it's been beaten to death. It sounds hollow. I know that I cringe every time I hear it, and I definitely cringed when I was learning how to manifest, which I don't have to now, thank God. But I understand how you feel. What I'm offering is something different. My angle is certainty and inevitability. Okay. So I want to change that phrase for you, and I want you to pay attention and just give try to something else because I know that the sentence I'm gonna offer you always makes me feel like, yeah, duh, I can live with this. This is cool. While it's done, it's like, oh my God, not again. Please, not again. So let's get into this. First and foremost, Jana Green, international award-winning success and manifesting coach, and I teach people how to manifest at the speed of light. Why? Because I do. Very often it happens to me that I get the thing I want before I finish asking for it. But I worked really hard on myself and I've changed everything about myself. So I get amazing results. And I'm teaching you for free on this channel everything I know so that you can manifest too in seconds. Majority of the stuff, of course. So, subscribe, hit the subscribe button, hit the bell icon so you're notified every time I release a new video, and let's get on with it. Oh, by the way, if you want my personal attention, you want access to me, check the Manifestation HQ link down below in the video's description because that's where I teach far more stuff and you get daily access to me. You can ask me questions. So, what would I possibly say if I didn't want to say it's done? Hmm. I think I have something far stronger. And my sentence I love and I come back to is it's guaranteed. You see, manifestation is physics. I'm not even sure why we call it manifestation. We could say materializations of dreams, but it's pure physics. Whatever you send out, you get back. You send out, this is what I want, and I'm having it. You're gonna get what you want and you're gonna be having it. If you send different things outside into the space, you're gonna be getting, maybe different results than you want. But think about this. Every time you ask for whatever, you will get it. If you apply the rules, of course, and rules are my rules I teach, which are different to everyone else out there, is extreme self-confidence and no fears. And that's enough. That's enough to manifest anything you want. Remember my JR, I always get everything I want. Yeah, that's exactly how it works. That's the only thing you need to be convinced of to get absolutely everything in your life. You don't need healing. You don't need this. You don't need that. You don't need any affirmations, any affirmations, any 3, 6, 9, 5, 5, 5. Not wearing yellow t-shirts, not whistling, and not putting lottery tickets in microwave. All you need is, yeah, I know I'm getting it. Duh. I already have it. I don't care. I actually, universe, take that away from me. I'm busy and I want peace. I don't want to be engaged in it at all. Ask, forget. All you need to do ever. But if everything's guaranteed, and it is because manifesting is laws of physics, and we don't tend to dispute physics, um, isn't that absolutely amazing? If you can start relying on the fact that you always get what you want, it's guaranteed. And if you can start relying on the fact that there is nothing you can do to screw it up, that's the end of story. You don't need anything else but to understand that your manifestation is guaranteed. If you know that it's possible you know you're gonna get it. If you have no fears and there's nothing anyone can do to screw it up for you, you are guaranteed to get it. Isn't that fantastic? I think that's the best news today. For me, anyway. I love it. So, if I were you, I'd replace it's done with it's guaranteed. It has such much stronger, more empowering feel. And it's guaranteed because that's how this planet works, and it's guaranteed because that's how physics works. And if you do your part, they're definitely doing their part, and you're getting everything you want. Everything you want because it's a guarantee. So, because you were good and you were here till the end of the video, I have a new freebie for you, brand new freebie, which is in the description of the video. It's Manifesting Takes 1 Second. And I explain how, why, and you download it, you learn it, you start absorbing it, and it will work for you in that 1 second, just like it works for me. Wonderful having you here. I can't wait to see you. I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.